Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Lenovo account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open any web browser on your computer or phone, such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type lenovo.com and press enter to go to the official Lenovo website. Wait for the Lenovo homepage to load completely before you continue. Look at the top right area of the page for the user icon or the sign-in option. Click the sign-in button to open the Lenovo login page. If you are on a phone, tap the menu icon first, then find and tap Sign In. On the login page, click or tap the field for email address or Lenovo ID. Type the email address you used when you created your Lenovo account. Click or tap the password field to enter your password. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to check your typing, use the eye icon to show the password temporarily. Confirm that the email and password are correct before submitting. Click or tap Sign In to log into your Lenovo account. If the page asks for a verification code, check your email or phone for the code. Enter the verification code exactly as it appears, then submit it. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your account email address and follow the reset instructions Lenovo sends you. Create a new strong password and save it somewhere safe for future use. Go back to the sign-in page after resetting and log in with a new password. If you do not have an account, click or tap Create Account instead of Sign In. Fill in the required details like email, name, and password. Then submit the form. Open your email and confirm your Lenovo account if you are asked to verify it. Return to the Lenovo website and sign in using your newly created account details. After logging in, look for your name or profile icon to confirm you are signed in. Click your profile area to access features like orders, devices, support, and warranty. If you are on a shared device, avoid selecting any option that keeps you signed in. When you finish, open the profile menu and choose Sign Out to protect your account. If login fails, double-check your email, password, and internet connection, then try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.